Good morning guys, happy Thursday. Welcome back to another vlog. I have no idea what today's vlog is going to be, but I just felt like vlogging. So here we are. We'll see where the day takes us. Oh my gosh, it's almost 10 a.m. already. What the heck? Y'all, it has been a rough week. It's Thursday. I have barely picked up the camera this week. I feel like I've been saying that every week for December, but I have had just the roughest week. Stella has just been so under the weather and she's finally kind of like over the mountain, like she's doing better, but it has been such a rough week. I am so tired and run down and just like blah, you know? So I had to take a break from vlogging for a few days because I was like a freaking zombie trying to vlog. It was not functioning. So she had an eye infection, poor girl. So we went and got eye drops for that. She's fine. I wanted to wait until we figured out what it was before saying it because there's just so many opinionated people on the internet, and like I know for the most part people are trying to help, but I just didn't need people putting in like their 2 cents about like, oh well my dog had this and ended up dying, you know what I mean? Like I just didn't want that. So Sunday Stella started having Stella has a very sensitive stomach like her mom. I mean, puppies have sensitive stomachs in general. Like you change one thing, you give them one treat that doesn't agree with them and they have diarrhea for like a freaking week. But we didn't change anything in her diet at all. And she started having diarrhea like every hour. So it started on Sunday night. So Matt was up every hour Sunday night with her. And then Monday night, obviously like we just took turns. And so Monday night I was up until 3 because she was going out every half an hour. And then I ended up sleeping from like 3 to 6, I think. And then I guess last night we only got up. Actually, no, last night she slept through the night, which was great. But we ended up taking her to the vet on Monday or Tuesday. Was it Tuesday? We took her to the vet on Tuesday. And basically he just said like obviously puppies are prone to having diarrhea. And if she had had too many high protein treats, that could be it. And lesson learned, but we were just like complete zombies all week and we both had to work. So we were both just exhausted. But I'm here. We're better than ever. I'm in a good mood today. I also find like the closer I'm getting to Christmas, the more I'm just getting sad that we can't see my dad and stepmom. It's not even just Christmas, just the fact that it's coming up on a year and I've never gone this long without seeing them. And I know a lot of people are going through that too. So that is sad. But today's a good day. It's gonna be a great day. I think I have some packages coming, which I was part of the reason I wanted to vlog because guys, I don't know what it is, but I love watching like whole unboxing videos. Like I aspire to be at the point where like Tara Michelle can film a whole PR unboxing vlog, like goals. But anyways, I just uploaded today's vlog, which is gonna be what I eat in a day. Now I need to make my to-do list for the day. So that's that. I just wanted to intro the vlog off and say good morning. I'm having a coffee. We are trying out the Mexico pod. Guys, I'm putting this out into the universe now that I want to work with Nespresso in 2021 because so many of you guys DM me saying like, oh, I bought an Nespresso because of you. I think like I really am supporting Nespresso's economy right now. Like, one, I should buy stocks with an Nespresso, and 2, I need to work with them because I'm giving them clients, customers, whatever you want. Anyways, so that's that. I'm having the Mexico pod. And yeah, let's just get some emails done, have a productive morning, and I guess I'll chat with you guys in a little bit. Guys, this is the morning setup. We have Kenzie on the vlog. I'm taking this booster shot. You guys know I love Loop so much. It's the ginger pear lemon. I'm gonna take that after, have my coffee. It's just a Mexico pod with a peppermint mocha creamer, and then I need to plan out my to-do list today. So let's do that. List is done. It's a lot of admin stuff, like a lot of YouTube stuff. I picked up some shifts at my other job, so I can do that over the holidays, and then I just need to do like a lot of like planning, time blocking, and all that stuff for the weekend. I made a hot coffee, but I don't want it hot anymore, so we're making it iced with like my leftover coffee from this morning because I'm the worst. Improved iced coffee, check. Oh, also I put my Christmas phone case on because hashtag happy holidays. I'm gonna listen to a podcast while I answer some emails I learned in 2020. I'm gonna listen to that and answer some emails. Okay, so we got Stella one of those like inflatable cones. Or was that what they're called? A cone?
Yeah.
for when she gets fixed, but we decided to actually get it because she had an eye infection, which I told you guys, and so that way she didn't scratch. Inflatable. I can't put it on her. Right. So anyways, we just saw it on Amazon and figured she needed it now. She wants to eat it. Look at her. She's so confused as to what's going on. No, you can't eat it. It's not a toy. It's for your face.
She's like,
oh my god, she's...
Hey, Stella.
What is that?
Good job. Hey.
Can I see your big fluffy donut?
There we
I
go.
don't think she's a big fan, but please. Guys, look at that sweet boyfriend of mine. He's putting up all the Christmas lights outside while I work. We love him. What a gentleman. Would you date me if I was missing an arm?
No.
I would.
Oh yeah?
Would you date me if I got hit by a car and...
Are you paying that thing? Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam.
This Christmas card for my parents. Look.
Aww.
What?
Oh, you're still recording?
Yeah.
Are you so considerate?
Aww. Oh my god. This is my life all the time. Hi. He's a big baby. He's a big baby. Oh god. Hi guys, okay, so I'm on my lunch break right now. It's about 2:25. I just got out of a meeting. I'm gonna take my lunch. I have so many packages to unbox. I'm so excited to show you guys everything. This is just like a bunch of stuff I've been sent. I'm so excited to open it. Okay, I'm so excited. I don't remember if I showed you guys this or not. But Julia and Emily have Gem Sisters Design, and they sent me over some sweet stickers, and they're of Stella. Like, how cute. So they do custom pet stickers. So here is their shop. I'll put it right here for you guys. That's their, she looks like Stella. Crazy. And then they sent over some other stickers they have as well. I'll have their shop linked down below for you guys. How stinking cute is their like little logo? I'm obsessed. But they sent over some other ones. So we have like a little rainbow. We have good news. I saw a dog today. We have like a little sunflower. My personal favorite, this little iced coffee. So thank you guys so much. That was so sweet. And I don't even know where I'm going to put these stickers of Stella, but I love them. And then you guys, Hunter. Okay, if you guys aren't following Hunter, I don't know what you're doing. She's the most creative, artistic person I know. She does like stickers and prints and notebooks, and like she's just so extremely talented. Anyways, I had no idea this was coming, but I had replied to her story a few weeks ago saying I really enjoyed this new print she did, and then she was like, oh, it's actually notebook on print, and I was like, oh darn it. Okay guys, she surprised me and sent it to me. By the way, this is my favorite Bible verse. I'm not extremely religious, but this is my favorite Bible verse. Like, I want to get this tattooed on me. Look, she wrote me a little note. So cute. And look guys, fearfully and wonderfully made. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, maybe in my office. But Hunter, if you're watching this, thank you so much. This was like the best surprise ever. I made some PR, a little like cocktail making kit, which is coming in a vlog. And I think I put it on Instagram though. But they also just sent me these super cute glasses, and you guys know how much I love these glasses. So on brand. I drink their green juices all the time. For a bunch of their immune boosters and juices to make like cocktails. So I think Matt and I are gonna do that this weekend for like a little at-home date night. And then you guys, I almost pooped my pants when I got this package. I have been wanting to work with Vessi for so long. If you guys don't know, Vessi is a Canadian footwear brand, but their shoes are 100% waterproof. I'm sure you've heard of them. Like, they're all over YouTube, their ads. They're super well known. They are really good about giving back to healthcare workers during COVID. Like, I really support them, and I've been wanting to work with them forever, and they reached out to me and wanted to send me a pair of shoes. I just love how pretty they are. They kind of look like Ultra Boost to me, but like a little less expensive. And them being waterproof is like amazing for walking Stella. So this is what they look like. I got the men's ones because they were sold out of my size in the ladies, and they have like a little thing on their website that shows you like, oh, if you're a size, like I'm a size 11 ladies, so I got a 9 men's, and I tried them on and they fit, but this is what they look like. So nice and sleek. I've always wanted a pair of like all black sneakers with like black like soles, or whatever this is called, like the base. So I'm really excited about that. So Vessi, thank you guys so much. I think they're giving me a discount code, so if they do, I will put it in here or put it in my description. And then last but not least, the package I'm the most excited about. You guys know I work with Vitae all the time. I love them so much, and typically when a new collection launches, they'll send me some stuff. And also a huge thank you to anyone who ever uses my code. I do make a commission off of it, and you know, it is a decent amount, which is always so appreciated because it goes right into my student loan. So I actually just got my Q4 payout, and Q3 or Q4 payout. I'm not sure which one, but thank you guys so much to whoever uses my code. It really means a lot to me. But the package, because they just launched loungewear, which you guys know I'm a sucker for loungewear. But also, I didn't realize this, but it says, guess what? I'm a compostable mailer, which means I'm made from plants, not plastic. So cute. But let's open it because I can't wait. I can't. Freaking loungewear collection. It's called the CEO collection. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my goodness. Y'all know. Oh, okay. I think these are definitely gonna fit. I am a sucker for like sweats that look like men's sweats. Look how thick that waistband is. Oh my God. Okay, so I got a large just because I wanted to make sure lengthwise they were tall enough for me, but look how cute this is. It says, daily reminder, I am loved. Oh my God, you got different colors. They have like the purple, the green, the gray. They all have a matching crew neck and a sweater. So this is the crew neck I got. Once again, it just says Vitae over here in the corner. How stinking cute. I am so excited about this. I'm gonna try it on after. And then, you guys, I'm really excited about this because Lululemon has this same quarter zip, but she over $100. And I love Lulu, but that's too much. So I think it's Kylie Ross. Kylie Ross posted an Instagram story a few weeks ago and she was wearing a cropped quarter zip and it looked so dang cute. So Vitae released one in their newest collection and I got my hands on it. So it's just this cropped little quarter zip situation. So cute. I can't wait. And then they sent me a new set from their newest collection, which I am so excited about. I don't know what collection this is. I should probably figure that out. But these are the leggings. They're like a taupe color, which I don't have, which I'm really excited about. So they sent me that. The like Aligns and Wonder Unders had a baby. I wear them to spin. I love this sports bra set because it's just super plain, which I love. So thank you guys so much. I'm so excited. I don't know if I'm gonna insert it. Anyways, I'm gonna try this on for some Instagram stories and then I'll catch up with you guys later. And I'm gonna clean all this up now. Hi guys, I'm lying on my floor. I just did some emails and I need to head back downstairs to work for the last hour of the day. I just did my 30-minute lunch break. I also braided my hair. I never braid my hair anymore, but I'm going to spin at 5, so I thought let's braid it. It's kind of wet, so maybe it'll come out kind of cute and curly, but that's that. Matt's out doing groceries and getting some last minute Christmas presents for his parents to add. And I really want a snack, but there is nothing that sounds good in the house right now, so that's that. But my work from home outfit is just some pink lines, and then I'm just wearing this zip up that I got from Amazon, and then this is just the Ebb to Train sports bra. So that's my outfit. Like I'm ready to like like box, you know. So yeah, that's that. Also my Apple Watch band. I need to get a plain black one so badly. I don't have one and it bothers me. Like I have that fancy black one, but I just want like this material one, like, you know, the OG material one in black, because sometimes I just don't want to mess around with cheetah. So I'm trying to find a snack. Maybe I'll have like peppers and cream cheese or something. I don't know, nothing sounds good, honestly. The only thing that sounds good is like something that's not good for me. So that's that. But that's my update. So I'm having one of these drinks. I thought it would be sweeter because I'm trying to curb a little sugar craving, but whatever. It's not like weird tasting. Sometimes when I buy like weird healthy things, like that has like collagen and aloe in it, I think it's gonna taste weird, but it just tastes like sparkling water and it's got 5 grams of collagen. So it's pretty good. I think this would be good with alcohol, even though that defeats the purpose of a healthy drink, but this is pretty good. Now I just need to figure out what I want for a snack. I forgot that I had protein bars. This is curbing my sugar craving. This is the best one. You guys already know how obsessed I am with these. This is the mocha one. It tastes so good. And chocolatey. So I'm gonna have this for a snack. And